Dr. Firdous Awan, a pediatrician working in Islamabad, and my topic today is breastfeeding and Ramadan. So I just wanted to guide the mothers who are breastfeeding in this month. So because there's always a controversy, should I breastfeed or should I not? Should I fast or should I not fast? So the choice is yours, because the mother knows, you know yourself. Islam has exempted mothers from breastfeeding and have exempted mothers from fasting while breastfeeding. But you have to fast the days later on. This is a special month, and I would like to give a few tips, health tips to the breastfeeding mothers. As we all know, WHO has recommended exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. In order for the mother to do the exclusive breastfeeding, she should be healthy. She should be a healthy mother. Islam has exempted pregnant mothers and the mothers who are breastfeeding from fasting. As we all know, WHO recommends breastfeeding for the first exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life of the baby. In order to do the exclusive breastfeeding, the mother should be healthy. And if you decide to breastfeed the baby, the mother should be healthy and should do the following. The mother should be physically and mentally prepared. One should take rest and sleep. Night sleep is very important, as much as you can. Avoid stress, because stress interferes with your breast milk. And mother has to have extra calories from the calories she's supposed to take every day. So the mother needs 500 calories more. And the other thing, the mother should take lots of water, up to about 3 liters of water between, if she has to fast, between iftar and seher. So it is very important to your diet, mentally stable, and it should be a complete diet with fruits, vegetables, minerals, and calcium. And if you fast and you find that you are feeling weak, thirsty, you have headaches, or your urine output is low, then it is better to break the fast. The other thing is, if the baby is not satisfied and the baby cries, and this is how we'll know, and the baby is not gaining weight, this is the way you'll know that the baby is not getting enough milk. So if you don't fast, you're allowed not to fast, but after the Ramadan, you'll have to repay the fast. So you are given a chance. Either you fast and look after your health, or if you cannot, then it is better to break your fast or not to fast, and you can fast later in the year. Because when it is hot and the day is long, that would cause dehydration, and it will cause an impact also on the outflow of the breast milk. A research has been done, and it shows that the fasting does not affect either the milk quality or the quantity in mothers who are healthy and are taking a healthy diet plus plenty of fluid.